everybody.
Hello.
Happy New Year.
Yep.
How you doing, Martin?
I'm doing all right.
Tommy.
Oh, it's 2025. I'm excited.
Say that again.
2025. 2025.
Oh, very impressive.
Fancy.
Oh,
Bilingual.
that means we're a quarter of the way through the 2000s.
That's true.
25%.
Is that 21st century?
of the,
Or is it
no,
20th
this is
century?
no, this is 21st century.
Yeah.
Because the last
Always
one,
ahead.
I referred the other day to somebody. I said, "Oh yeah, back in the 1900s."
Well, you know, any car that's model year 2000 or newer
Is
older
now-
is now antique.
You get
right?
antique plates for it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I'm
Everything you own.
Everything I own. No, almost. Hi ho, one more year. Oh, I can't
Oh, okay.
wait. That'll be good. So, but we hope you guys are having a happy new year here at VW Life. Everything's are trucking along. We've getting lots done. Martin has been really working a lot on Jesco.
Somewhat. Yeah.
It's coming along. There's some videos on Jesco that are be coming out. We got lots in the pipeline, as they say.
Yeah.
So we got to put in a window, but now we got to redo a window.
Yeah, it's got to be replaced.
Yeah, because it leaked.
Yes.
Yeah,
Very bad.
What happened?
I don't know. Got a new Just Campers window. We didn't know how to install it, so we got it in there. It went in okay, and then first rain, the whole floor was soaking wet. So
Are you sure that's where the water came from?
okay, you can just see the water
Not the
on
big.
the edge.
It's just gobbing up.
Yeah.
So we got to redo that. So you'll be able to see that again on Jesco. That's
Yep.
exciting. And Tommy, you just turned over a nice motor.
Yeah, that was nice. I haven't put a lot of work in on the convertible though, so that'll be ready pretty soon.
Yeah.
Got the wheels swapped out on it, the motors. It's ready to go into the
And what
car.
size motor is that?
2165 is what's going in. So, I don't know. Mike's gonna like it because the straight cuts are a little loud in that.
Oh, you can hear it?
Oh, you can hear them. So.
That's nice.
Yeah, they're not always. It's hit or miss with straight cuts. Sometimes they're just as quiet as can be, and then other times they're crazy loud. This isn't crazy loud, but you can definitely hear.
You can hear it?
Oh yeah.
That's good. I like that. Sounds like a race car.
Oh, it's a racy car.
It's a racy car.
Yeah.
Denise's convertible's a racy car.
Yeah, and I got most of the carpet in. Martin came over and helped me weld the clutch cable tube. We got that taken care of.
Oh, nice.
Little zip, zip, zip.
And what did you?
Wasn't not the easiest thing to get.
That was not at all. What did y'all end up doing for the patch on the tunnel? How did you?
I made a little piece of metal when I'm just going to screw it, and it's all curved out and rounded out and everything, so it's just going to go right over top of it and screw it in.
You
so.
screw it in like sheet metal screws?
I was debating on sheet metal screws.
Rivets.
That may be the easy. Yeah, I may do some riv nuts, some M6 riv nuts,
Yeah.
or some button heads.
Oh, that'd
or
be
something.
fancy.
Just
Or just rivets?
Well, I was thinking the button head would be smooth. That way, that the carpet, when the mat's
You
over
won't
top of
see
it,
it.
you won't see it that much.
Smooth, nice and smooth. I like that.
Yeah.
Well, let's see. Around here, well, you can see there's the same old. We're the 73 Beetle's coming along nicely. I'm working on the motor. Tommy gave me some assistance on that, and then we got some wheels for it and tires. So excited! Beautiful MP8 spokes. So it's coming along. That 73 will be done pretty soon.
These are American Eagle or something like that.
These are the Spirit of America.
I think
Nothing
they're
but the best.
I think they're American Eagle or something like that.
Then these are like Journey Eagles or something maybe.
So here, let's listen to the story that he told me about how they tried to take the gland nut off. They put it underneath the, the bus.
On what?
So this motor behind us over here is that motor that has the bad main thrust bearing, right?
Yeah.
It's
The thrust
eaten
is
up.
worn out.
The thrust is worn out. So Jake and I here the other day, yesterday, are like, how in the world can we get this flywheel? It's a good flywheel, right? Nice 12 volt. Is that a 210? So it's a nice 200 millimeter, right? Yeah, so it's a good flywheel. And we want to break the case down. So we tried at the impact and did nothing. And then you get a cheater bar in it. Well, it's just a case, so there's can't get any leverage. So I said, So we put that case and some 2x4s and everything underneath that bus over there.
And then lowered the bus on it to pinch it. And now
So
it's not going anywhere.
It's not moving.
It's basically a jack stand at that point.
Jack's man
And he's
cage.
on it with a breaker bar.
And then we had the 4-foot breaker bar lifting the 4,000-pound bus
Real.
to break it loose.
You don't have one. You have that big.
Yeah, I had the. Yeah, that wouldn't work.
Even the big one.
Even the big one. So
And he
the
has
big
same one
impact
you
wouldn't
got,
work.
right? You have
Yeah.
the Akita version, right?
Me?
Him.
The old Milwaukee one. Yeah, the old Milwaukee one. Would do nothing. So, Tommy, I was saying, Tommy, what? And he goes, well, you got one of those torque meisters. I go, well, yeah, I do.
And popped it right off.
It popped it right.
Literally no effort.
Like,
whatsoever.
Tommy goes over there, dink. I went, oh.
Yeah. Yeah,
So-
it's quite impressive. how easy
Yeah, it was like, oh, the antics. That would have been antics, lifting a bus trying to break loose. So my advice out there is make sure that you have a torque meister and make sure you remember that you have one.
You
I
know,
totally forgot
think
that I had one.
everybody should have one, even if you don't work on Volkswagens.
Yes.
You should have one.
They're just cool. We don't-
Man,
yeah.
that's so good.
Yeah, and they're good for taking off the wheel nuts too, axle
Two
nuts.
axle nuts.
But the gland nut, and now all I gotta do is to tighten up. I just put 40 pounds of doink. It goes at 300 and
360. or
360, so it's on, because whatever was way more than 360 because it was lifting that bus up. So there's your antics.
Yeah.
That was
That you
antics.
did in video.
Yeah, that was good. We got lots going on though. We got the winter cruise. Martin's very excited about that. We're going.
Oh, yeah. For the car I don't have.
You can come over
Waiting
here.
for you to
and-
buy me one.
Hey,
There's a
you know what?
plethora to choose from.
You can choose your vehicle, Martin. I think Martin would look really good in the '79 Scirocco.
Does that thing even work?
Hell yeah, go over there. That thing. Look, it hadn't ran in like 3 months, and went over there today. Boom.
Fired right up.
Farms are
right
leaking
up.
fuel from this time.
It's just not leak fuel. I put new hoses on it thanks to our friends at Heritage. Yes. So it has new hoses. Doesn't? Yeah, remember it was puking fuel. No more puking fuel. Something about fuel lines being eaten up after, I don't know, what's that, 21 to 46 years or whatever. No, it's great. So you could look very good going on the winter cruise.
In a Scirocco.
In the Scirocco. Look, we're going to go to the January 25th, the winter cruise. We're going to eat lunch at Rosa's at 11. We're leaving at high noon. We're going to drive through Round Rock, through Hutto, and we're going to the Lexington Livestock Auction.
Yeah, we got 112 down there.
Yeah.
What is some of the history of the winter cruise? What are some of the other? Is that where y'all did the
Remember we
airplane?
did an
museum?
airplane museum?
Is that when we did the
I ain't never done one because I had a car that ran.
Longhorn Cavern.
Longhorn Cavern?
Remember
was
that?
super fun.
That was fun.
I remember that. James.
We went to Enchanted Rock. We went to the Train Museum
When
last
was
year in
the
Temple.
massacre, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre?
Texas Chainsaw. Oh, that was just a
Cruise.
that was just a cruise.
Yeah.
And so we're gonna go to the livestock auction, and Martin's gonna buy a goat, a baby miniature goat or miniature horse.
A horse or a goat?
One of the same.
Whatever one.
He just told me, "Do not. I want a donkey, because I like jackasses." But Martin
You're
says,
enough of one.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. But Martin says, "Do not buy a donkey," so I'm not gonna buy a donkey. So anyway, so that's January 25th, and then the Love Bug Rally is February 15th. It's June Bug Rally, but cool in February. So Jake and Davey are.
They're heading out.
That's their. So I mean, I'm sure we need to do some shirts. So we need to talk that over. And then the big thing again is this year, Spring Breaks road trip this year. Last year we did Route 67. I'm still waiting on Martin to get my logo.
Oh, yeah.
Hint, hint, nudge, nudge. 2025 El Camino Real de los Tejas VW road trip.
Where's that going?
That's March 17th through the 20th. We are starting in Laredo, Texas, and we already have. We're staying at the Oval Ranch. Cheeto's we're gonna camp at the Oval Ranch Sunday night. He's gonna fix us a big feast, and then we'll head out that morning of the 17th. We're going to Goliad State Park for our first night stay, and then the second night we're gonna be at Lake Bryan State Park. Then the third night on the road we'll be at Mission Tejas State Park, and then the fourth night we're gonna be at Ratcliffe Lake Recreation Area where we stayed a couple years ago. So we're following the old Spanish road as what that turns into, and it's when the priests and missionaries used to take that up through from Mexico up through Texas when they were trying to colonize and convert the Native Americans over to Catholicism. So there's not a whole lot of the road that's left, but we're going to be on some of it, and so Martin will be driving the Scirocco. So.
Poor Martin.
I know. But anyway, that's going to be March 17th, and everybody is welcome. All Volkswagens. It's going to be so much fun. You saw Route 67 last year, how epic that was, and And it's this is really coming together. Some a TV station in Corpus Christi is already going to come talk to us.
Corpus.
In Corpus, they're coming up into the town of Freer. They're going to talk to us, so we're going to do that along the way. And I just sent out a note to the New York Times. Hopefully, they're going to cover us.
Poor New York Times.
They'll never be the same. Hey, we were in Texas Monthly last year. Think big. Think big. So I'm excited about that. And then what else we have going on, boys?
That's it.
That's it.
Yeah, for now.
Yeah, Junebug rallies in June, and then Harvest. We're still.
Harvest was awesome.
Yep.
The video's getting put together. That's coming out. Our video.
We're excited about the Harvest.
Yeah.
The new location worked out really good.
It did. It did.
We were all kind of like, yeah, but I was happy it came out nicely.
Yeah, you leave it up to Martin, we would have killed the Harvest forever ago. But I'm
Years
so
ago.
glad I've stuck with it. No, I was joking.
All right, so make sure that you like and subscribe at VW Life.
Yep.
Tell your aunts and tell your uncles. We appreciate you guys sticking with us. We got lots of stuff in the pipeline. It just takes us a while to get it going. We're getting older.
Yeah.
This is 2025, Tommy said. Remember?
Tommy just turned 50.
Oh,
50.
man.
So
What are you, like 70?
Yeah, close.
70-ish. Ish.
it's right around the corner. He's like 70?
Yeah. Yeah, that's the next big one. We'll leave it at that.
He's waiting to that retirement age.
Yeah. I don't know, man. You retire when you're dead.
Yeah, he actually does work harder than both of us put together. Yeah, so.
Well, we just appreciate you guys sticking with us. That's the best thing, and it's good for us to enjoy this beautiful, look at this, January day. Here it is in Texas. It's like 70 degrees.
It is super
Is it
nice.
70?
Before,
Or right up before a freeze that's coming in. It's supposed to be here in like a few hours.
Yeah, but I
If
don't
you look
see
up,
it.
you would not
Yeah,
think of
it's
that right
like
now.
sunny and beautiful today.
There's not a cloud in the sky right now.
It's amazing. So thank you guys for sticking with us here at VW Life. As always, like and subscribe. Tell your aunts and tell your uncles and tell everybody you know about VW Life. Thank you guys very much. We appreciate y'all.
Cool.